Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Kim. I'm going to tell you all about the new Dasher Reward Program pilot. More rewards, more perks, more money, or so they say. Let's dive right in. Okay. So, here is some information about the new Doordash Tiered Rewards system. It's basically a new program that's being piloted to reward Dashers using acceptance rate, completion rate, and customer rating as the criteria. Dashers will receive incentives based on specific criteria. Stay tuned because I'm going to give you all the details and my opinions on this tiered reward system that DoorDash says will redefine the gig economy. Okay, this will be interesting, right? Okay, anyways, where's the pilot area? It's only available in the following markets right now: Lubbock, Grand Rapids, Corpus Christi, Raleigh, Allentown, Lancaster. It doesn't say what states these cities are in, so some of them are obvious, but some are not. Columbus, Nashville, Eugene, Miami, Bowling Green, Chattanooga, Ocala, Lawton, Muskegon, Reading, Lima, York, Salem, Morristown, Greenville, Dover, Mankato, Milwaukee, and East Bay. So if you're in any of those cities, you may or may not have access to the pilot. I'm not, so I have no idea what it looks like. But anyways, all the information I got here came directly from the DoorDash website. Okay, so what are the benefits? So if you qualify, you will be given Top Dasher benefit, which is basically the main benefit. You could dash anytime. Supposedly you get more offers, higher paying offers. This may or may not increase your earnings as you need to take many low paying offers in order to remain in the level. Priority access. So this is similar to Top Dasher, but with lower acceptance rate required. So basically gives you the same thing. Dash anytime, supposedly a higher likelihood of higher paying offers. Normally when the app says $8.50 guaranteed, but maybe more, that's what it says for all of us now. With the high paying offer, it'll say total will be higher. So that's how you know you're getting more than what it says for sure. Okay, you also get access to the large order program. You will be offered more large orders with many items and also catering orders. You must have a catering bag in order to be eligible for this, and I think you need to be invited. I could not find any specific detail about if this part of the tiered reward program, if you're automatically enrolled in the catering program and then you have access if you prove you have a bag. I could not find one way or another if that was true. Anyways, these catering orders, I've never done one, but supposedly they require more effort and more time consuming also because sometimes you have to unbag the items and put them on a table. There's a lot more things to carry back and forth to your car and back and forth to the customer. So it takes a lot more time, but I have heard they have really good tips. Some of them do. Anyways, there we go. So the next thing is early access scheduling, 6 days ahead at 3 p.m. versus 6 days ahead at midnight for everyone else. So example, 3 p.m. on Friday, you'll be able to see and schedule yourself for the following Thursday. I don't get why this is even a perk, because if you can dash anytime you want because of Top Dasher or priority access, I'm not sure why you would need to schedule at all. So this is kind of a dumb thing to add in here. Also, VIP support. So supposedly when you call support, your call will be answered by the VIP team. I am not sure if this is a real thing. I think it's just a large pool of support people and you get who you get. So I think it's just the luck of the draw like it always is. I don't know that these people are any better or any more willing to help or any more qualified to help. But there you go. Okay, so this is the Dasher reward page. This is what it'll look like in the app. This is an example from the DoorDash website. So if you are in one of the pilot markets, you should be able to see this. I have not delivered in forever. I don't even know what the app looks like at this point, to be honest. But here we go. So it'll show your unlock rewards. This is the stuff that you've unlocked. Here's the rating. So this person has two contract violations, which is interesting that they would qualify for the gold level here. But Their acceptance rate was 96, completion rate 98, customer rating 4.9, on time or early 87, and deliveries in the last 44 days, and lifetime deliveries. So they qualify for the gold level, I guess. I'm going to show you the levels in a minute, so don't worry. Okay, before we move on, I kind of wanted to go over some quick definitions and some math because not everyone understands how these work. So, acceptance rate. This is the percentage of offers that you accept in proportion to how many are offered to you. If you accept 7 out of 10 offers, then your acceptance rate is 70. 70 over 10 is 70. So that would be your acceptance rate. They want you to have 90 for some of these levels. So that means you got to accept 9 out of 10 of the offers. I don't know about you, but I don't know. The offers really sucked the last time I did DoorDash. Most of them were $2 and $3. So yeah, you have to accept those in order to get your rate high enough. Anyways, moving on. Completion rate. So this is different. This is the percentage of the deliveries you actually complete in proportion to those that you accept. So if you accept an offer, you should really try to complete it. If you accept 10 deliveries and complete 8 of them, then your completion rate is 80%. Why wouldn't you complete it? Well, sometimes you have to unassign if the food isn't going to be ready for a long time, or sometimes the restaurant is just really slammed and you can't even get an answer how long it's going to have before it's going to be ready. Or you accidentally accept one that's really horrible with a lot of miles or something. So there are times when you have to unaccept, unassign basically. So if you unassign it, it counts against your completion rate. Okay, customer ratings. Many customers never rate Dashers. This is a known thing. They don't have to. Many of them don't. Of the ones who do, this is the average of those ratings. If 90 people rate you 5, and it's over the last 100 people that have rated you, that's all that counts, is the last 100 ratings you received. So they roll off. As you get 101, the first one will roll off, and then it's number 2 through 101. So anyways, other ones so let's do this. So if 90 out of 100, if 90 people rate you a 5 and 10 people give you a 3, I'm going to show you how to calculate those ratings. So you've got 90, give you a 5-star. So 90 times 5 is 450, sorry. 10 people gave you a 3. So 10 times 3 is 30. So we're going to add the 450 plus the 30. That gives us 480. Okay, so this is 480 out of 100. So you divide 480 by 100, and you get your customer rating, which would be 4.8. If you divide 480 by 100, that equals 4.8. So that would be your customer rating. So I just really wanted to show you the math of how to figure these out, because I don't think people really know how to do that. Oh yeah, I want to ask you to please subscribe, leave a comment below. That would be great, and give it a thumbs up. Awesome. Okay, how does the Dasher Reward Program work? Okay. According to DoorDash, once your acceptance rate, completion rate, and customer ratings and delivery count reach the qualification for a specific level, you'll be automatically eligible, and your rewards will be unlocked within 48 hours. I'm going to go over the levels next, so hang tight. So here's their example. During a dash, your acceptance rate hits the 50% mark, so you now unlock the Silver Rewards level. Similarly, if you are in the middle of a dash and you unassign a delivery and now your completion rate is below the criteria for Silver, you will lose access to Silver Rewards until your ratings increase back to the range. Completion rate takes a long time to go up because it's out of the last 100 deliveries. So if you only do like 5 deliveries a day, it's going to take a long time to get your rate back up. It's not a 1-for-1 kind of thing. It's out of 100 deliveries. Okay, so here are the tiers. So this is a chart that I took from their website. I changed these icons right here so we can see them better, but basically data is from their site. So here's the reward level. So for Silver, your acceptance rate needs to be 50%, which means you need to take 5 out of every 10 offers they send to you. Completion rate 90%. You need to actually deliver 9 out of 10 of the ones you accept. Customer rating 4.5. And there's no requirement for the amount of deliveries in the last 30 days. But you have to have at least 50 lifetime deliveries completed. So to get to the gold level, your acceptance rate is now 70%. So you have to accept 7 out of 10. Completion rate, 90%. You need to complete 9 out of 10 of the ones that you actually accept. 4.5 customer rating. No amount of deliveries is required. And you still have to have 50 lifetime deliveries. So platinum is 70% acceptance rate. So that's 7 out of 10. Still the same as gold. But you have to complete 95%. So 9.5 out of 10 you have to. So pretty much you have to complete every one that you accept. Your customer rating also has to be higher, 4.7. And you have to have had 100 deliveries in the last 30 days. And lifetime is still 50. So that's their tiers that they are currently using to determine which level you are in. Here's some more details from their site. So kind of these are the rewards, and this is how you get them. So in silver level, you get access to more higher paying orders, and your priority increases with each level. So basically, so this is silver. So all you get is advanced scheduling if you're in the silver. You also get the high access. You still get this, but the only thing they're adding is advanced scheduling. So you can schedule 6 days in advance. So you're not considered really a top dasher at this level. You're just getting advanced scheduling. Okay, so then if you move up to gold, you're still getting increased priority over silver. So you're getting this, but you're getting more increased priority over the silver priority. You are also getting advanced scheduling, and you're getting the VIP support. So if you call in, you're going to get VIP support. Now, for all of the rewards, you have to be in the platinum level. Remember, that was 95% acceptance rate. Not 95 acceptance, 95 completion. So you have to pretty much accept 7 out of 10, and then you have to complete 95% of those. And then you'll get advanced scheduling, VIP support, access to large orders, that's the catering type orders, and the dash anytime, which is like a top dasher. So moving on, you have a question, I'm sure, about top dasher, and that is next. Okay, what if you're already a top dasher? Okay, if you don't live in one of these target pilot markets, your top dasher status will not change. It's going to be just as it already is. If you do live in one of these pilot areas, then you'll basically be transitioned into the new tier program. If your stats still meet the criteria, you will still receive the benefits. If your stats are too low for platinum, then you may get gold or silver. So your rewards will vary based on that. So now this is all clear as mud. What do you think? Do you think you'll make more money under these tiers? I don't know. I think it's going to be hard unless they increase pay. But that's just me. My market is really bad right now. That's why I don't even go out anymore. Yeah, it's not even worth it. But anyways, do you think it'll be worth striving for that top platinum tier? You know, if you're in a market with a ton of orders and you don't have to drive very far, parking's easy, drop-offs are easy, then go for it. But if you have long-distance deliveries with very low pay, I don't know that it would be worth it. That's my opinion. Do you already have super high ratings and you qualify for Top Dasher already? Do you think this is going to be any different? So if your ratings are at that top level, it'll probably be about the same. But if your ratings are lower, then, you know, if you're in the silver level, you're going to lose some of those benefits that you currently have. My next question is, do you think this will ever be rolled out system-wide? I have no idea. I have given up trying to predict what they're going to do. They act like this is the things that they are doing are to make it better for the dashers, but it's not. I see it just declining. I see the whole platform just declining. And every single time I log in, I get more and more frustrated. So I don't know. I'm curious to hear what you have to say, though. I don't mean to keep bashing DoorDash. I have actually made a lot of money with DoorDash, and I really enjoyed it for a long time. Lately, though, it's super dead in my market. Maybe there's too many drivers. I don't really know. But the deliveries just are very, very few and far between. And I don't know that there are many good ones out there. Anyways, please comment below. Let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed this. I just wanted to get it out there because I've seen on different message boards people are asking about it. So I did some research and there you go. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Hope you're making lots of money and staying healthy.